What's going on, everybody? Fedor here from 3D Print SOS. Welcome back to the channel. I'm interrupting a video shoot that I'm currently doing to bring you this important message. So over on our Discord channel, our very own Zoomy has been running a contest where you can opt in to print 3D printed toys to be donated for children that are less fortunate before Thanksgiving here in the United States. And I'm here to tell you that 3IIDMax has stepped up big time. They're willing to donate the winner 30 spools of filament. That's right, 30 spools to the winner. But that's not it. You can also choose between PLA and PETG. And if you're second place, you're going to get 20 spools of filament. And if you're third place, you're going to get 10 spools of filament. That's an incredible amount of filament. This is extremely exciting. So definitely, if you're in the United States and you want to take part in this awesome contest for an amazing cause, to print some toys for children to be donated before Thanksgiving, go ahead and jump into our Discord channel. There's going to be a link in the description. Head over to the contests and giveaways tab where Zoomy has outlined all of the rules. She's made suggestions and she's outlined everything that you might need to know about this contest. So what I want you guys to do is go ahead and join up and let her know that you're going to be printing some toys so that you can get a chance to win 30, 20, or 10 spools of filament, your choice of PLA or PETG. 3IIDMax, huge thank you, and let's see all of this amazing stuff that you guys are going to print for this contest. I'll see you guys over there. Later.